Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2012 Ford Territory titanium 2.7 turbo diesel all-wheel drive wagon. It's got a little bit of water on the carpets, that's all that's wrong with it. Little dings and marks here and there. Starts and drives. So I've got a good full set of panels, tailgate, tow bar. Straight car, wheels have got some marks on them. I'll look in the back here for you. It's got the third row seat, leather interior, seat back there, DVD player up there. Fairly standard. Pop the bonnet for you. Got a good front. And I'll go and start it up. The kilometres for you. And the compliance plate. You can see it there, it goes sideways. September 2012. 155,793 kilometres. There we are there, if you can read that. That's us, that's where we are at Graham Hill Road. A little bit of rev. So there it is. One territory for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need some territory parts, any other parts that matter, give the Parts Plus team a call on the number on the wall 0246461733. And don't forget that all Parts Plus parts come with a 6 months parts and labour warranty. Righto. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.